how to use Taiga.io. It is a tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to introduce Taiga to you, and I'm going to show you how to use Taiga if you are a beginner. Taiga is an open source project management tool designed for Agile teams. It offers a range of features to help teams plan, organize, and track their work effectively. So now let's see how to use it. First, you have to go taiga.io, or you can download the application on your device. Then you just need to click on Get Taiga button here. You will find it at the homepage of taiga.io. Then you will find this type of form where you just need to pick a username that available, then pick your full name, your email address, and you just need to set a strong password for your Taiga account. For example, I'm going to select a username from here like this, and I just need to I'm going to put a full name. This is only for the sake of this video, and from here I just need to enter our email, and now I'm going to select a strong password here. You can select some password, a password that combination with upper and lowercase alphabet and numeric numbers. Then you just need to click on this box and just click on sign up. You also can sign up with your GitHub and GitLab account. If you have one, you can log in with your account. After signing up in a new account, you will find this type of interface where you can add a new project by clicking on new project here. You can also see the working on section and watching section is empty, so you just need to click on new project if you have a new account. So like me, you can also get a paid plans. You can find here the account settings and notification, and you can log out from your account. Also you can go to settings and settings like yourself you are comfortable, then make a settings that you want to change according to your needs. Then you just need to create a project where you can click on Serum to prioritize and solve your task and short time cycles. And also there is option like Kanban to keep a constant workflow. Then duplicate project, you can duplicate a project, and also if you have projects saved on your device, then you can import it. Now in this project section, when you create a project, you will get the overview from here. I'm going to create a project here, Serum. In the Serum that allows us to prioritize and solve our task in short time cycles. So I'm going to add a task from here. For example, my task is new project name will be this, and you can enter details about your project. Just enter a description. Then after entering a description, you can set your project as public, or you can select it as private project. I'm going to select it like private project from here. And if you select it public project, then everyone can watch your project. And if you can click on private project, and that's mean the project will only showed by you and that person you are allowed to see your project. Now click on create project, and you will get this type of dashboard of your project. Here is the project that I've created here, and from here you can just click on add a user story. You can add any type of user story. For this, you can click on subject, and you can also add text in your subject. You can also attach any type of media that you want. You can add description and other advanced option available from here. You can then click on create to create any type of user story. This is the backlog side of your project, and from here you can get the overview like the how much your work has done, your task has done. It will show in percentage. It will show defined points, closed points, points per sprint. You will get all the overview from here. Also you can add sprint from here, like you can name the sprint here, and you can set the date for sprint here. like this. You can, if you just click on it, and you can select date from here that you want to add sprint. Now click on add, and here you can see I have added a sprint in the right section of my dashboard. And from here you can drag or drop any type of story to transfer as a sprint. Now from here, this is my sprint overview. Here is a section named new. This is new, in progress works, ready for test work, or closed details and needs info. All you can add details about your this sprint or task that you have added. Now you can also get the about of your project from here by clicking on your project, and you can done your work or project with efficiency. That's all for now. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.